This is week 16. Well, hold on. Welcome y'all back to the channel. Thank y'all for stopping by and spending some time with me as I go through the beginning phases of growing my beard. This is week 16. That's 4 months. 4 months growing my beard, and I am really surprised at how much it's grown. I don't remember it growing this much, so what I'm gonna do this time is I'm gonna go through the process of what I do in the morning or my morning routine, step by step, and we're just gonna see how it comes. So, when you wake up or take a shower or whatever, it looks a little thing, looks a little matty or whatever. So I took a shower. Actually, I ran this morning, then I took a shower, and now we're just gonna go through the process. So first, what I do is I have some sunflower oil. No. Correction. First, what I do is the beard leave-in conditioner. Just a little bit. I take that, put it in while it's still damp, while it's still wet. And like I said, I'm just taking a tip. So if y'all see anything that I'm doing wrong, comment below and drop a comment on different things that you might have did or things that any questions that you have. And if I can't answer it, then I try to reach out to some of my other homeboy or other beard partners, beard gang partners, beard gang affiliates, to see if they know. So I put that on there, and like I said, I'm not really putting too much on right now because I actually did it last night also. But we're just gonna give a little quick video of week 16. So this is damp. Rub it in, and that's the beard leave-in conditioner by My Hydration by, let's see if we can get it in there. Come on, man. It's Evan Alexander, but this is Black Man's Beard. Come on, man. It's an Apple phone. Oh well, you get the point. My Hydration beard leave-in conditioner. I put that in first, and then I get my sunflower oil, just some regular sunflower oil. You buy this store, grocery store, put a little bit of that on the hand, let that drip like that. Heat it up, and you rub that in. And I also put this on my hair also. I don't put the beard leave-in conditioner, but I put this stuff. It's sunflower oil on my beard. Like I said, man, if it grow, if I make mistakes, I make mistakes, man. Everybody make mistakes. But what I want to do is learn. So I'm documenting this so I can go back and look at it so other people can look at it too. So you can see the process or the progress of the process and the complete journey. And if anything needs to be cut out, it needs to be cut out. No problem. That's one thing, Don't worry about it, trying to be perfect. Just get it down, Let's see. The next thing I do is olive oil. Just regular olive oil too. I'm not gonna put that much on it this time. Make that hot too. Put it on like that. Like that, real smooth, real quick, like that. And then put the excess in my hair, like that. Massage it in, and there's no really. I'm just letting my hair grow, so just massaging that in. Let that come in just like however. Just move it around, like that. Massage it around, and then after that. Then after I do that, brush it in a little bit to make sure the soft end of the brush. Yeah, I got another brush too. I found this, but let's see the soft end. This is the soft side. This is the soft side. Like that, put it in. And I can see also my line, my beard line used to be down here. So this beard is all the way up here, which is a great thing for me, because I wanted to come in clean like that. So pretty much I add a little oil right here. And I want, like I said, even on this side, it should be down here. So you see, as you can see, I got hair all in there. So I'm gonna let that just grow. And as it grows, all this will connect. So even right here, you see all the hair growth? That's all new growth coming in, even over here, you know? And I think I didn't have it before right there because I like to smile a lot. So that's actually what you see when I smile, cheek right there. So I don't know, so I'm making sure I put a little bit more either oil and stuff on there, or I don't try to brush it too hard or anything right there, just letting it grow. But just make sure it's hydrated as well as has a substantial enough oil in there so it can influence the follicles to grow. At least I think that's what's happening. So it looks like it's good. So once I do that, I brush it in a little bit, and then I take, this is a Swissco handmade comb, and then I just go like that. And as you see, it's starting to come in. My beard's starting to come in, and go like that. And again, I'm not pulling at my hair. I'm just getting it a little bit because all I want to do is make sure the oil as well as the beard conditioner is getting all the way in there, you know, getting all the way in there and basically providing enough oil, and providing enough nutrients and for my beard to grow. So I'm keeping the moisture in too. And you can see as I go like that, move like that, you get to see exactly, you see what's going on. You see what's going on, right? And so even down here on the neckline, it's coming in thick. So like this, watch it. You see it, you know, even on that side. And it's just, you know, combing in a different direction actually brings it up, but it also allows the hair under there, or the skin under there, to stay moisturized and protected from the sun and all the different elements and stuff. But like I said, you can see the beard coming in. That's 4 months, like I said, it's 4 months. So at first, when you first turn on the video, you're like, yeah. But when you start to, you know, I make sure it's moisturized before I comb it out and brush it in. But then you start to see. That's what I'm talking about. But, you know, it's just a process, and just following the process. Like I said, I haven't went to a barber. I haven't did anything like that per se. And so, you know, that's it. And then actually, I also use my boy Darian's beard balm too, as cause he has a whole bunch of ingredients and stuff in there, like castor oil, coconut oil, shea butter, and a whole bunch of stuff in there he put in there. He's actually making me another one, so I will be, as soon as that comes in, I will be sharing how that works, you know. Let me see if I can open this real quick. Well, I ain't gonna open it. And then I put a little bit on that. I'm gonna put a little bit less this time, just like that. And then heat it up, heat it up, heat it up, heat it up, heat it up. Oh yeah. And look, no hairs, no breakage, no type of you know, no pulling my hairs or whatever. Actually, just one. It's just one right there. So just one. Whereas before it was, I would have so many. In a sink, I would have so much. So that's all I have, you know. So I heat it up, I'm rubbing it together, and then just lightly do it like that. Which is, like I said, it's part of the process. So put it in there, and then as you see, making sure that part is oiled. Not too much oil, because I don't want to clog the pores, but enough to soak it in. I'll move it with my mustache, right, and then just bring it back down. My thing is, I want to train it so that my beard goes down. I mean, I can make it all bushy like I do on my IG, G-Crump, but I want to make sure, I want to train it to go down. So I'll go like that, and then I'll rub it back down. I rub it back down because I want it to be protected, but also I want it to train the hairs to go down. And then I take the rest and just rub it in my hair. I just want the hair to grow right here. I got another video on that, using some stimulated hair oil, and I'll provide another video on that too. But yeah, see, you know, the beard's coming in. That's 4 weeks, or not 4 weeks, it's 16 weeks, 4 months. And so it's looking nice, as it comes in. Just let it go, and rub it in like that, the excess. And that, my friend, is my morning routine. I try to do that every morning. Every morning I try to do that. And maybe even I might brush the sides. See if y'all can see them dogs on the side right there. And that's about it, that's my morning routine. And what I'm seeing is by staying consistent, this is actually providing me with more growth, even more growth in my hair, more growth in my beard, and then it actually gets easier because I'm able to figure out whether I like this, and then, how soft my beard is. So, y'all know y'all can't feel it, but I definitely can tell a difference since week 5 and week 16, and doing this routine has actually made my beard a lot more softer. It's a lot easier to maintain, and I'm getting less breakage. So it's a win-win situation for me. Like I said, I appreciate y'all for stopping by. I appreciate y'all for leaving comments. Like I said, it's the Beard Rookie. I'm learning as I go. I'm learning as much. I grew a beard before, but I want to take my time, document it, and make sure it's a better experience. And as well as you can find little tips if you like different things. If you want some of my guy Darian's beard balm, or some of the Rick Ross luxury beard oil, I'll leave a link down below. It's a whole bunch of different things. There's no one answer. There's no one product. You can change. You can rotate. Depends on what your beard likes. My beard likes a little different. My beard likes for me to switch up every now and then. So I might be doing this right now, but then next week I'll change it. It's like, it's adapting. You got to be able to adapt. So always remember, like, you could be doing this and then something could be, might plateau, it might stop, but don't you stop. Just figure out what's going on. So if you provide more moisture, you're not having enough moisture, maybe you need to work out, maybe you need to eat better, maybe you need to introduce a different type of oil. So I got avocado oil. I also got almond oil. It's different things. And then I also got some biotin, So each one of these things provide a different thing. I also got calcium, It's just, learning. You got to learn yourself. You got to apply yourself. And with that, you start to realize that you can actually encourage more growth on your beard, your hair, as well as your mind. That's the most important thing is your mind. Believing that you can actually get it. Believing that you can actually grow it. I don't care what they say, the genetics, yeah, it's a big thing, but it's also more important that your mind be right. If you say you can't, or you say you can, you're right. Either way. Like I said, I appreciate y'all for stopping. I appreciate y'all for spending time. And it's a little long video, one of my longest videos, but I'm gonna keep doing it. So I might not have week 17, but I might have week 18, unless I get some outstanding growth, you know what I'm saying? So y'all have a stupendous day. Thanks again for checking it out. Like, subscribe, check out some of the folks below, and y'all have a stupendous day. Estupendo, excelente, phenomenal.